While renting an apartment, there are some things that you are responsible for and some things that are your landlord's responsibility. Your responsibilities should be clearly stated in the lease. Your landlord is responsible for repairing any damage due to normal wear and tear. They are also responsible for ensuring that the apartment meets the state sanitary and safety codes. This includes pest removal, snow removal, sufficient heating and electricity, and taking care of any issues that may make the apartment unsafe within a reasonable amount of time. Landlords are also responsible for providing working smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. As the tenant, you are responsible for reporting any maintenance or security issues promptly. Make sure to take pictures and fill out an apartment condition statement upon moving in. Most importantly, tenants are responsible for paying the full rent on time for each month. The landlord also needs to provide reasonable notice before entry. We recommend requesting that a specific amount of notice can be written into the lease. As a tenant, you are responsible for paying your rent on time. If your rent is late, this can cause problems for you as a tenant. Check your local laws to see when late fees can be assessed or if there are any limitations. If you are late on rent, your landlord may consider starting the eviction process. Your landlord must give you formal written notice if they intend on pursuing eviction. Always communicate with your landlord, as some landlords are willing to work with you if a rent extension is needed. Your responsibilities as a tenant include following the rules laid out in the lease, paying your rent in full and on time, taking care of the apartment and reporting any issues to maintenance, and communicating with the landlord in writing. See our landlord communication video for more tips. You should also purchase renter's insurance. Some landlords require it, and it is always recommended. Renter's insurance costs about $15 to $25 per month and can protect your belongings in the case of accidents such as theft, flood, or fire. If you have any questions about your rights and responsibilities as a renter, feel free to call, email, or stop by our office in 151 Spear.